Alrighty then. The dust mop. Dust mops are pretty easy. Basically, you sweep stuff up. But there's a slight trick. Well, a couple actually. Usually when using the dust mop, just like I showed you on the Norwex, or will show you on the Norwex, I don't remember which, rather than just sweep back and forth, you're sweeping up the dirt, so you want to push it in front, just like with a broom, with your mop. And then you go back and forth and basically push in one direction. That's when you can. Sometimes you don't have the option. Like when you're getting, like here, I'm getting at the little bits and pieces of stuff that's stuck in the corners. Or when I'm in a smaller, this is a bathroom, it's pretty small, just come in here and sweep around a little bit, come back out. And I've got stuff, but I haven't really necessarily done this section. So you push it, and there's things that stick to the threads on the mop. And you want to get those off before you bring the mop back. So you just shake it and bring it back around. And when you get handy with it, especially on a really large surface, this is a pretty small hallway, but sometimes you're doing a big room, and so you're just starting one end and you're sweeping, you shake, you move back, and so I'm doing this in one spot, but you'll be just moving backwards as you're sweeping along, just getting it and you shake, and you take a step back, do it again, take a step back, do it again, and that way you're just covering a whole large area and you're just pushing all the dirt in one direction. Hallway is not that critical, but that little shake, and it just gets the stuff off. Now if you take and shake it a lot, like that, it gets lots of stuff off and throws dust into the air. That's how you clean, well not clean really, but you kind of clear the mop for the next job, and you do that outside. But for here, just a little quick shake is all you need. And then just like with the other mop, the Norwex mop, you go into the little nooks and crannies here and you just push everything around. And then I like to do the hard surfaces with the mop first. Oops, I'm too far away. I like to do the hard surfaces with the mop first, and then when I'm done mopping, I just push it all, or if you're using the broom, push it all onto the carpet, and then when I do the vacuum, I just suck it all up at the same time. Makes it a lot easier. Once you know, if you notice when we went through the box, I've got no dustpan in there, because that's what I do. If you do need a dustpan, most of the facilities have one in their janitor closet, or someplace. Now, for instance, in the precast break room, which we'll be covering here in not too long, they're of all places, their dustpan is on top of the refrigerator. But anyway, I may or may not remember to tell you about that. Anyway, so that's using the dust mop. Pretty simple. Oh, let me go over real quick. I think I did this before, but I'm going to do it again. How to put the dust mop together. I guess I should have started with that, but what the heck. Anyway, you'll more than likely get it already put together, but here's the metal frame. This is the pad, and then I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's open on one end, and the pad, the frame, as you'll see, has got a part that sticks up. That stays outside, and so you just slip this in, and then when that's done, then you just button this up. That I think is fairly explanatory. You probably know how to button things, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. But then over here on the mop handle, and these are transported separately. They're not together. This is in the box. The head of the handle has this rubber grippy thing, and you can, by pulling on this, it opens this up, and that fits over this bar. And so just open it up, stick the bar in, make sure it's nice and snug, and close her down, and you know, it wobbles back and forth. I'm going to do that again just in case I was off center of the camera. I can't really see very well. So you open this little guy up, can you see? And then, almost like the bit on a horse, you know. Anyway, that was my imitation of a horse. So that's the mop. I think should cover it. Not too complicated.